Hi guys, Ashish this side. So this is Canada series in which I'm going to tell you about everything you need to know for studying in Canada. So Canada is one of the most sought after country for jobs, for education as well as for immigration. So this is the first video of Canada series in which I'm going to tell you about key facts about Canada, education system of Canada and why you can plan to study or you should plan to study in Canada. So let's get started. Now first understand some basic facts about Canada. So national currency is Canadian dollar. Currency conversion is 55 INR approximate. Total population of Canada is 3.76 crore. Total Indian population in Canada is 9,94,667. Number of Indian students 1,72,625. The capital is Ottawa and Canada has 3 provinces and 10 provinces and 3 territories. Now Canada is also the second largest country in terms of the area of 99 lakh square kilometers with a population of around 36 million. Now let's understand something about culture and society. So Canada is known as land of immigrants, multicultural society, one of the most industrialized countries of the world. Northern Canada is known for gas and oil exploration, while Eastern Canada is known for agriculture, forestry and fisheries. The provinces of Ontario and Quebec are known for industries. Canada is a world leader in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, telecommunications and biotechnology. Almost 80% of the population of Canada lives within 250 kilometers of border with the US. So you have US advantage too in case you plan for Canada. Now next thing that comes is for us to understand, that is why study in Canada. So I am going to give you some of the reasons why Canada is one of the best destination for study abroad. So number one is Canada is one of the best study destination for students offering high quality education at affordable fee structure. Second is 26 of Canada's university in under 1000 are ranked under 1000 in QS World University Ranking 2021. Canadian universities offer more than 10,000 undergraduate and graduate degree programs as well as professional degree programs and certificate courses. So in future videos I am also going to tell you about which of these 26 universities and details about them. So also stay tuned for other videos as well. Now for the 9 consecutive years the UN survey claimed Canada to be amongst the top 3 places in the world to live. Tuition fee for foreign student in Canada are lowest in comparison to US, UK and Australia. Possibility of paid internship while studying, post-study work visa and good job opportunities after completion of studies. Possibility of permanent residency also in Canada, you also get a chance for post-study work visa and then a possibility to get the residency of the country. Canada is a good choice for immigration as the country offers immense scope for working owing to its low population density. Next is Canadian degree, certificate and diploma is considered equivalent to the degrees in other Commonwealth countries and the US. So worldwide recognition. The Canadian government as well as various private and public organizations offer multiple scholarships and bursaries opportunities to deserving students. So that is also a possibility. Then Canada is a relatively safe and peaceful country. The Global Peace Index consistently ranks Canada among the top 10 safest countries to visit in the world. So a great future in terms of safety. Next is Canada is country of immigrants and follow a policy of fostering multicultural diversity. The Canadian society comprises of all the world's ethnic groups. You will easily find the most ethnic food and cultural activities. So a lot of nationalities you will find in Canada. Next is that there is a great diversity in the landscape of Canada as it is the large country situated near the Arctic Circle surrounded by 3 oceans, the Pacific, Atlantic and Arctic. Canadian cities are famous worldwide for their beauty, picturesque landscape and that attracts large number of tourists every year. So all in all a beautiful, safe and country full of possibilities. That is Canada for you. Next is there is a great diversity in the landscape of Canada as it is a large country situated near the Arctic Circle. Canadian cities are famous worldwide for their beauties. Next comes is what are the type of higher education institutes in Canada? So there are three type of institutes. Education in Canada is generally funded and managed by the provincial governments of Canada. So there are three type of institutes you will find: universities, community colleges and private colleges. So type of higher education institute, the undergraduate degree in Canada can take either 3 or 4 years to complete depending on the university. Similarly, postgraduate degree, this is 3 to 4 years. Postgraduate degree can take between 1 and 3 years to complete depending on the type of degree. Now, what are the different type of higher education providers in Canada? So you have universities, both UG and PG degrees. Then you have community colleges and technical applied arts or applied science schools. Community colleges, technical, applied art or applied science schools. So you have technical schools, you have applied art schools or applied science schools. So they provide certificates, diplomas, associate degree and bachelor's degree. Next is the school system in Canada are different for each other depending on the provinces or territory. So I have already told you that Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories, and they have schooling system different in different territories. Like for example, education is available in both English and in French in most places, provided there are enough students in that area speaking the secondary language. High school is typically from grade 9 to 12th. Now here in Quebec, so Quebec is one of the provinces. In Quebec, high school ends in grade 11 and is followed by a program that prepares the student for a university or technical education called CEGEP. So like in some provinces you have 9 to 12th, in Quebec you have only 9th to 11th, and then 1 year for preparing you for university. So that's a different education system. Now next is most of the colleges in the country are situated in cities like Toronto, British Columbia and Montreal. Canada is also a preferred destination for vocational studies, as these result in better employment opportunities. So one is your professional degree, second is a vocational program or skill based program. So you can look for both depending on your requirement, depending on what your purpose is and what you want to pursue. Next is what are the qualifications granted by the Canadian institutions. So following are the degrees generally awarded by Canadian higher education institutes. One is certificate level, that is 1 year. Then you have diploma, that is 2 years. Then advanced diploma 3 years. Then fast track diplomas or advanced diploma 1 or 2 years. Then you have postgraduate diploma certificates 1 or 2 years. Then master degree 1 to 2 years. MPhil you have 2 years, and doctorate or PhD 4 to 7 years. I think here undergraduate is not mentioned, so any which ways let's add UG, which is 3 or 4 years. So these are all the degrees which are granted by Canadian institutions. Now this was all in the first video, wherein I told you about the key facts about Canada, the education system, and why you should consider Canada as your destination for your study abroad. In second video, part 2 of this video, I am going to tell you about the popular courses to study for in Canada if you want to plan for jobs and immigration or looking for permanent residency, because you can have 2 purposes or maybe 3 purposes to study in Canada. One can be to go get education and come back to your home country. Second, go get education, then look for jobs or immigration. And third, go study and stay there for permanent residency. So in all those courses, what are the popular courses you can look for is something I am going to tell you about in second video. Now apart from Canada, this channel has lot of content on different countries, different courses, different education systems, and everything you need to know about study abroad. I understand that when it comes to study abroad, you may have lot of queries, so don't worry. I have given the details in description on how you can contact us for your queries. So you can contact us for your query. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe this channel, like this video, comment, share with your friends. I will see you in some other video. Till then, stay connected. Thank you so much for watching.